Cloud workspaces can be very beneficial to teams, which require flexibility in accessing parts and designs by providing access to data anywhere in the world, access for internal and external stakeholders, and easy management of data. To effectively utilize cloud workspaces, minimal configuration is required to ensure proper access, user roles, and a consistent database. This quick how-to will provide step-by-step instructions on how to configure a cloud workspace in OrCAD X Capture to enable team collaboration for libraries and designs. Open an existing design or create a blank project in OrCAD X Capture 24.1. First, we'll configure a workspace. Select View Workspace Configuration from the menu. Under Component Information System, select Cloud. This will ensure the part manager is checking the cloud database for changes to parts instead of the local CIS database. Select New Workspace. Name the workspace and add a description if desired. Next, we'll configure the data residency. This will define where your data is to reside, selecting from USA, Japan, Asia, or Europe. Set the default user role to Viewer. This will ensure that users added to the workspace will only be able to view libraries and designs, minimizing errors. You can configure the roles for individual users once they are added to the workspace. For user access, choose Selected Users in Organization. This will allow you to define which users in the organization have access to the cloud workspace. Check Provide Access to Users of External Domains. This will allow you to collaborate with users outside of your organization, like contract manufacturers and OEMs. Click OK. The workspace has been added to the list of available workspaces. Right-click the workspace and select Set as Default, then click to select the workspace. In the Shared With section, enter the email of a team member or stakeholder and click Enter. This should be their Cadence account email. Select the role drop-down for the newly added user and select Librarian. This will give the user permissions to view, modify, and add data to your libraries and workspaces. Select OK. Select Place Component from the menu. The workspace is now visible in the categories and highlighted in green to show the default workspace configuration. Right-click the workspace and select CIS OnCloud DB Configuration. Here you can configure your database schema for your component database. Click the three dots at the top of the window and select Import DBC. A database configuration with common properties is automatically populated, detailing the database property name, schematic property name, visibility on the schematic, value type, show and place component, and update part property. Additional database fields can be manually added with the plus sign in the database configuration window. Click OK. Parts can now be published to the shared workspaces for all team members to access. Database properties defined in the configuration will be present when creating and adding parts. Select the File Manager icon on the toolbar. The workspace is visible and can be used to share designs and files with team members. Easily configure a cloud workspace in OrCAD X Capture and enable collaboration for your entire team. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.